Hi, in front of me is Poco M3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Get Started, tap OK, click on the switcher next to LED keyboard and tap OK again. Then select Input Options and choose LED keyboard one more time. Over here you can pick keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to tap on it and choose Download Theme. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!